Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. So today the task is to upgrade the RAM of this laptop. So this is HP 840G1 i5 4th generation. You can open it from here. This is the lid. So once you press it, gently lift this back panel and then you would see, and these are the two slots in this. So each slot has the maximum capacity of about 8 GB. So this laptop supports in total 16 GB. So what I'll do, I'll extract this RAM and then fit that RAM. So for that, what I'll have to do is to just press these two buttons. This one, I'll remove it. Let me remove this and gently pull it out. This one. So this is the 4 GB RAM. So now let's move towards the one which I've got from Flipkart today. So let me unbox it. This costed me about 1630 from Amazon, so it has got 3 years of warranty. So let me open it. All we have to take care is about this slot, this one which is here. It just reverse, fit it here and gently press it, and now it's fit. So you can see this has got 8 GB and this is 4 GB. So my laptop has got total 12 GB now. So once you do this, gently close this. Okay, actually, now see. Switch it on. So now as you can see, the window is up. So in order to check the RAM, total RAM and all you have to do is to just press the Windows key and then pause break. It will open this panel and then you would be able to see the RAM. So here you would see total 12 GB of RAM. Here it is written 12 GB and 11.9 GB usable out of that. So this means this upgrade has gone successful, and now I can use this laptop for my bigger projects. So this is the way you can change the laptop RAM, and I will come up with other such technical videos to show you. And thank you for watching guys, and take good care of yourself. Thank you. Bye-bye.